Hello my flourishing friends, I hope you're doing well. I'm Lisa and I would like to craft a bit with you today. I've planned on doing a little greeting card. That's what I do recently a lot. I have quite some pen pals and we exchange nice little things and yeah, today I would like to show you how I do it. So I've got some papers I didn't use that much. Also this double-sided paper, I don't like to craft with it that often because I always have the feeling it's a waste to not use the other side. And most of the time both sides are so pretty, so I can decide which paper I use and then it just stays in the stack forever. So today I was like, okay, we're gonna use you today. Yeah, what I do is I take those 12 by 12 inch big papers and fold it right in the middle, trying to make it straight. Like so. Then I decide how big I would like the card to be and use my little paper cutter. I'm not able to cut straight with a scissor, even though I have it handy right here, but I'm sure a lot of us suffer from that, so praise the Lord for this little thing. There we have it. So this is the base from our card. I chose the not so busy side for inside and the wavy for outside. I also think this piece of paper that I have left from another project would be perfect to go. Yeah, because it's fun. Also got some, it's from the same paper stash. As you see, I used it for another thing. So you have the same colors. I'm gonna cut a thin stripe like so. I think that would look nice. Yeah, it's always a process of crafting, and before I glue everything I like to play around a bit and see where what goes. I think I like it. I'm gonna use the scissors now. Drum roll. Yeah, see, it's not straight, but it's okay. I can correct that. By the way, don't throw those away. Those are awesome to craft as well. So I think I'm gonna already glue this part because I'm confident that it stays there. I used the normal glue school kids and kindergarten kids use. 2 reasons. It's adjustable for quite some time. And second of all, those rollers you can buy with the glue on it, they're so expensive, and I feel like after half of a card they're already done. Them also, because I don't live in America anymore, yeah, you don't get them that frequent in Europe, so yeah. That's why the school glue. I mean, it worked for every one of us as a child. Why should it be bad as an adult? Also, since I try to craft on a dime, it's nice because 3 of them are $1 or something, so it's not that expensive. That already looks like a thing, doesn't it? So what I have here on this side is I flipped through a magazine the other day and saw those images. As you see, on the other side is some kind of advertisement. When I see things like this, and it's my magazine of course, I always cut it out and keep it for some kind of project, and I thought with the colors it really does fit. So with the whole succulent thing going on, this one I'm gonna cut with the scissors as well because the paper is so thin, and my paper cutter is not the best, so it's supposedly gonna rip it. Started doing this a few years ago. Was still living in America. At the big thrift shops you get those big piles of magazines for like $1. Yeah, I think it's cooler than buying stickers because for sure nobody has those on a card. And just like that. I think we're getting there. Gonna glue that as well because I really like the way it looks. Just a little disclaimer, if you hear some clicking or like a noise in the background, that's my dog. She's always surrounding me and is really curious what is going on here today. I hope you don't mind. She's a doll. So this is what we've got so far. I've got some stickers here. I'm gonna see through which ones I would like in a bit. But first, okay, close the glue, Lisa. First I would like to put some washi on it because no crafting project is anything without washi, right? Let's see, I've got a big box here on the side of me. It's just a fraction of what I have. But yeah, I couldn't put everything out, could I? Let's see, 5 hours later. This one could fit, and that one, this one. So I've got a cute little one with kisses on top. I think that's nice. I always like to glue it a bit to the board so it stays straight. It's also nice when you rip the paper. Let's do it like this. Gives it a more crafty, more rustic look. Some small washi. Looks okay. Just realized the pictures look a bit like off. Was thinking maybe to put a frame around them with the washi or something. It's gonna look nice. Like it's glued on there. That's cute. So cute. I'm gonna cut the washi. So we are obviously missing something right here. Yeah, I'm gonna see through my stickers real quick and come back to you in a second. There we are. I just ripped it a bit. Paradise. Then we've got some nice little cards. Oh no, I just broke it. Let's see, I've got those embellishments that came with a paper stack. Also really pretty paper on the side, on the other side. Look. Since it's a really summerish card, and a lot of you guys go to a vacation or just came from one, maybe memories are nice. I'm gonna cut it. Okay, I really like this, but to make it pop out a bit more, I just got those 3D foam pads. They were fairly cheap. I got them, I think, for 30 cents, but they do a miracle with your crafting. So they're on this pad, you see. I'm gonna glue the corners first. Okay, let's get those little tips off. Let's put it right about here. See, now it sticks out a bit. Not to the inside. With the inside, I like to keep it simple, and most of the time I just glue some straight white paper in it. I think I even have some laying around here. Yeah. Because I like nothing less than trying to write in a card and then like with this paper there's so much going on that when you write on it, it doesn't look nice and neat. So yeah, white paper it is for me. But of course you can use colored paper or whatever you like, or just leave it like that. That's pretty as well. Yeah, so this is how I do it. It looks completely different already. Make it straight. First of all, I'm gonna embellish this a bit to make it look a bit nicer. Oh, what cute. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy plans. How true is that? And maybe some washi. Sometimes like to do with this is wear my scissors. Cut the washi like so. And then it's on the side like a little marker. That's always so cute and so artsy. So with this side, I either leave a blank or glue a picture in it, or I'm gonna do something I show you because I just realized I would love to share this. Get this little paper again and just cut out a little rectangle, really nothing crazy. Then I cut the edges off And then I fold it. This paper is actually perfect because it has the lines. So now I either take the glue, put it on here, or clear tape. Which does hold up pretty good. So I just put it underneath here, glue it to the inside. It's a bit tricky. Should have done that first, do that first. But it does work. So now you turn it around. So, and now you have created a little pouch where you can insert nice little things. Like for example, when you have those cards here and you don't use it yourself. Just gonna cut them real quick. Then you can put them here as a little present. I think I wrap it up for today. I think it came out really nice. It's a nice little present you can send your pen pal, your friends, your family. Put happy birthday on it and it's a birthday card. I hope you enjoyed this video. I plan on doing this more often in the future now. And yeah, I see you guys. Bye, have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles and hugs. Your Lisa.